What's up, guys? As we close this week out, Tesla is sitting right around $250. It's 1:38 Eastern Standard Time right now, but we're going to be taking a look at Tesla because Tesla had a really bad day so far. We'll see where it closes. I do have a bullish position in this that I shared on my Twitter account. So if you guys don't follow me on Twitter, go check us out. I share trades over there. Check out the Discord community, 12,000 members over there. Me, Rustic, Kula, Angel, everyone, we're over there just killing it, hanging out, having a good time. And all of our free trading resources are over there as well. Looking at Tesla today, coming down, trading at 249.38 right now. If we were to actually look at the 1 minute, you could see that we initially bounced right off of 250. We're coming in here making lower lows. I know for a lot of people, they don't care about the 1 minute chart right now, but there is a little bit of a divergence. So I think that we will probably close around or above 250 bucks today, but we'll see what happens. At this moment, we're still uptrending, like we said before, on the weekly chart. So at the end of the day, I'm not shorting Tesla. I'm not going against Tesla. I'm not going to do that until this level is broken around like 245 to 240. Once this volume shelf is given out, that's where I'm going to start to go short because there is no volume down to 210. So this, look how fast last time, right? Look how fast last time we broke 245. We dumped nearly 10% in 7 days. So little volume, and then we bounced and ripped right back up in another 12 days, 20%. So once we break these congestion areas or these consolidation areas, these big areas of volume, once we break through or above those, that's where the big moves happen. So for me, I'm not really doing anything as far as being short right now. I'm still playing the upside, but if we break that key level of like 245 to 240, that's going to be when I'm like, all right, now we're going to the short side. And you can see here on the 1 hour, we did break this trend that we were talking about yesterday. We did break point of control that we were talking about yesterday. But in order to actually break this short-term trend, we would have to take this level out because this level here, sorry, I don't know why this is, there we go. This level here is what actually made that swing low to swing high. So in order for that small trend reversal to happen, we'd actually have to take this level out, and that also lines up with our level on the volume profile. So this is a high confluent price level at a high confluent area, which is just a fancy way to say a lot of people are watching these levels and a lot of people trade them. So it's going to be important. Now, if we bump this out over here to the right, you guys are going to see at the top, this is going to be a monthly chart of Tesla. And this is going to be on a Heikin-Ashi candle. Heikin-Ashis I really like to use on the bigger time frames to get a better sense of direction at a quick glance. You can see that this is the uptrend as of recent this year, basically year to date when we hit these lows in January. And since then, we're still hugging and holding above this trend line. Something to note on this big level here, or I'm sorry, on this big chart at the bottom, this weekly, look at the volume profile and look at where all of the volume is sitting, between 180 and 280. So I'm talking months from now. But if we were to push up through this and this became an ascending triangle pattern, so basically we were using 280 as a resistance, 300 as a resistance for a little bit, and we eventually squeeze over here within this for the next, into the rest of the year, theoretically, if we broke above 280, easy chance that within probably a couple of months, we move 43% up to 413 bucks. I truly do believe that. I don't think it's for a very long time, probably not till next year into 2024, but there's very little volume in that level, which is even further dictated up here on the monthly chart, right? No volume from 300 up to 4, no volume from 170 down to 50. And I highly doubt that we would see that drop down to 50 bucks. So I'm ultimately still very bullish on Tesla over the next year or so. I'm still bullish in the short term as we're not breaking these levels that are key yet until we start to break 240. So what I'm going to do now is continue to play the upside, continue to hold my long-term shares, which I have. A lot of you guys have expressed interest in me doing a live stream going over how to delta hedge and how to hedge positions. So I plan to create an extensive PDF this weekend, and hopefully next week we can do it, because I want to not just have a live stream and then have some people come in and not be able to actually follow along. I want to give you guys like a Notion plan and a PDF of exactly everything I know about hedging and how I use it within my trading. So it might take a week or so, but it will be more than worth it. Thank you guys for all the support. If you want access to all of my trades, go to the Discord community, go to the upgrade section, and you'll get access to all of my trading bots, all my day trades, all my swing trades, all of our unusual options flow bots. And the best part is it's completely free your first month. And the goal that we do that is number one, so that you know we're legit. Number two, so that you can build up some capital in the meantime. And number three, so it can hopefully just pay for itself. Thanks for all the support, guys. I'll see you next time.